Amy fam. I'm here with BB-8 from Star Wars The Force Awakens at the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory to see the amazing place they call the center of the universe. Let's take a look. This is where they assemble the spacecraft that explore our solar system, and also the place where all the information they gather comes back to Earth.
This is mission control. Some people call this the center of the universe.
Why is it called the center of the universe?
You know, there actually is a good reason for that, and that's because the deep space network that we use to talk to all of our spacecraft that go far away from the Earth, all of their data comes through the deep space network and then through this room where the controllers are to help make sure we're getting the data to the science team. So we've got like Cassini, that's at Saturn. We have spacecraft at Mars. We have Juno, that's on its way to Jupiter. And the Voyager spacecraft, we still talk to them, even though they launched back in the 70s.
Wow.
And they're headed out of the solar system. So we really use the Deep Space Network to stay on top of everything that's going on in deep space exploration. This is our clean room. This is the room that we use to assemble spacecraft that we're going to send out to other planets. And it's called a clean room because we have to keep all the dust and stuff from our bodies from getting onto the spacecraft that we're building, because it can damage the sensitive electronics.
Wow.
And we also, if we're going someplace where there might be life, we don't want to accidentally take Earth bugs along with us too. And so that's why we have to wear all of this protective clothing to make sure we're not.
It's not just to look cool. It's actually
even though it is really cool. It's the height of fashion, right?
Yeah.
No, you're not that dirty. We swabbed you off before we came in. Space exploration is important for a lot of reasons. When you are trying to understand the Earth and understand the climate and how it works, it's easier to get a sense of things when you have other examples to compare things to.
Got it.
When we looked at Venus, and we understood that thick layer of carbon dioxide, which traps in the heat from the sun so that you get this runaway greenhouse effect. Much easier to see that on a planet like Venus than from just the clues we have here on Earth.
Catch all that? I never realized how many spacecraft are out there, still sending back messages from all over the solar system. And it's great how discoveries out there in deep space continue to help us better understand life right here on Earth.